Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new update on Jasmy. It was needed, all right? I covered this yesterday, and yesterday we talked about, the possibility of this rally, which just happened. So yeah, we talked about that. Just wanted to do an update on that because Jasmy right now still is very bullish. It still has a lot of momentum. There's nothing bearish about Jasmy right now. I'm a little bit sour about it because I actually, I said this yesterday, but I opened a position after this bullish breakout. Then it almost hit my stop loss. So I closed it at entry because I already had a lot of long positions open. And then like my first take profit would have been around this level. But all right, doesn't matter. Jasmy right now is still very bullish, and I'm very happy for the Jasmy community that this is happening. I hope it will continue. We'll talk about that. All right, so let's get right into it. Let me clean up the chart a little bit more. So yesterday, what we said, to do a brief recap, if that is that the main resistance level was around 3,850, which is what I'll be referring to with the prices. It is actually 0.003850, all right? But that's 3,850. You know what I mean? Hopefully, at least. So that was the main resistance level, and the main question was, well, how will it react to that level? And if it finds resistance there, if it holds that level around 3,750, it's most likely to keep on rallying. And it barely found any resistance. So it almost instantly broke above that resistance level. And now it's very bullish. Like, that's actually the truth. Like, the market structure yesterday already was bullish. So that's also why this was expected in the video. And if you don't believe me that I said this and that this was the analysis, I believe you can just take a look at the thumbnail and see that this is exactly the same arrow as I drew yesterday. But all right, so you can also see right now that the open interest and the volume for Jasmy is increasing a lot. Basically since yesterday evening, that has been increasing when more liquidity got into the markets after the weekend. So the big question is can Jasmy rally up higher? And initially I would say yes, because it has now found resistance around 4,100. That level really is between 4,100 and 4,200/4,250. So initially I would say yes, it can at least reach that level around 4,200 or 0.42 cents, whatever you want to call it. But the big question then is, well, can it actually rally up higher than that? And that's going to be difficult, because the next price target is between 44 and 4,500, which is quite high up. And I would say it's possible to get there. I really would say that, but it just depends on a number of things. Like, it depends on what Bitcoin does. All right, I think like some of this bullish momentum that Jasmy is getting is 100% also coming from Bitcoin's bullish momentum. Not all, like Jasmy on its own is bullish as well, but that is something we should know. Now there's actually quite a lot of liquidity here to the supply side, around 0.42 cents. So like I said, for now it looks most likely that it will get up to 4,200, spike up, but then drop down below, and then after that we'll just have to see. All right, and that's I never like to say that, but that is the truth. Like, there's a bit of a level right here, a bit of a support / just a key level at around 0.4 cents, which is obviously also a psychological level. Like, what I expect is that Jasmy will get up there. Will get up there, spike up, drop back down, and then if it's able to hold 4,000 as a support, all right, then it's also, and Bitcoin is still bullish, then Jasmy can also get up to towards 4,500. All right, then it's possible, but we need to wait how it reacts to that level, because if it finds resistance there, it spikes up and it drops down below 0.4 cents. That's a major bearish confirmation, and then it will just drop back down. So short term, very bullish on Jasmy. Medium term, long term, it just depends on how it reacts to resistance. All right, so we'll have to wait for that. I'll keep you updated on that, but for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.